As a young entrepreneur, Soumya, what's your anticipation? What are your expectations from the budget today?
So, looking forward to a lot of measures that could incentivize the startup ecosystem. I think this government has been particularly very keen on developing the ecosystem, and we've been seeing the results. We are living in the historical times where in India, the wave of digitalization, the JAM, Trinity, Janadhan, Aadhaar, Mobile, China Plus One, all of it is coming together with a lot of availability of talent. So I would be particularly interested in seeing what the government is doing in just bringing this together in terms of the Startup Deep Tech Fund policy has been drafted. It would be good to see whether there is a real budget allocation towards it. What are the measures that could be taken in upskilling? Everybody says that globally Indians are leading tech firms. Indians are all the capability centers are in India. Indians are doing research. So it's high time that now the next set of new age tech companies come out of India, and I would be very keen to see what the budget has to offer to make that kind of ecosystem thrive. Now that we are already becoming relevant in the global startup space.
And Soumya, if I may ask one more question to you, and this is with regards to women entrepreneurs. The startup ecosystem also has several women entrepreneurs like you. Should they be incentivized?
I think so too, be it any sector or, women as community, we have our own set of challenges, and government has been very, very supportive in bringing women up. But now I think when it comes to the startup ecosystem, thinking about, access to capital for women or, incentivizing or measures where women are supported enough to lead the sector. Unfortunately, in India and globally, this is one area where women have not proven themselves to be equal in terms of number of startup founders that we have, or in terms of the capital that has gone into women-led startups. So would be great to see if our women finance minister has something to offer to us.
To women in particular, women finance minister for women, is there something special that she has for them? But